Hi, welcome to Joe's Kitchen, and today I have done Rohu fish curry. If you like my recipe, do give a like and share with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Hi, welcome to Joe's Kitchen Recipes, and today I am doing Rohu fish curry. For that I have taken 500 grams of Rohu slices. To this, add salt as per your taste. Add 3/4 of spoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder, rub everything on both the sides, and keep aside for 30 minutes to marinate. In a mixer jar, add 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. Here I have used the bigger size mustard seeds. 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. 1 piece of ginger. 15 cloves of garlic. 5 green chilies. And a handful of coriander leaves. Grind this with 5 tablespoons of water to a fine paste. Our paste is ready. It should look like this. In a cooking pot, add 5 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add the fish pieces and fry them on each side till they turn golden brown. Keep the flame low. Turn them on the other side and fry them till they turn golden. Our fish is fried well. Transfer them in a plate and fry the remaining fish like this. In the same pot, add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add pinch of cumin seeds. Add potato cut like this. Saute for 2 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. Transfer these potatoes in a plate and keep aside for later use. In the same pot, add 1 black cardamom, 1 bay leaf. Add 2 medium sized onions chopped. Give it a mix. Fry the onions till they become soft. Our onions have become soft. To this add tomato puree of 2 tomatoes. Give it a mix. Cook for another 2 minutes. This add the masala paste which was previously made. Give it a mix. Add the water from the mixer grinder. To this add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of red Kashmiri chili powder. Give it a mix. Close the lid and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Add salt as per your taste. Some tamarind water soaked in water for 15 minutes. Give it a mix. Add 1 cup of water. Mix well and let it come to a boil. Add the potatoes which was fried before. Add the fish. Give it a mix. Off the gas and add some chopped coriander leaves. Now fresh raw fish curry is ready to eat.